What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. And today, my people, we're at Pickering Town Center. Alright, Pickering Town Center. Cool. So right now, my people, we're gonna do a walkthrough tour for you guys from the Pickering Town Center. I'm gonna see if I could go in from the movie theater side. And yeah, we're gonna kick off the ball game. And everybody, if you're brand new here, this is 416-876 Jamaica. I do mall videos, tours in Canada. I do the ghetto areas. I just tour. I do a lot of the touring videos for Toronto. Yeah. It's called 876. Oh crap. I don't think we can get in there. Yeah, I don't think we could get in there from this side of it. But this movie theater, my people, it wasn't on this side before, you know. This movie theater used to be around Spanish Park, the Shoppers Drug Mart side there. So you can see, say, them are really fixed up over here, so. Nicely done. Going at the movie theater just now, and it looks good. Me used to come over here, so. Now movie theater, you know. You know. Cause you used to have a lot of pretty girls live over here, so you don't know, say, over here, so you chill out when you're a youth, so you see it. Yeah, man. Right over Pickering Town Center, man. If you're not Scarborough Town Center, Pickering Town Center. Yes, I. Those were the days, you know. But yes, my people, so I do vlogging videos. I show the ghettos. I show the malls. I show the beaches. I show the parks. Yeah, so I show everything. So right now, this is one of the entrance, number 7. We're gonna go check it out. So yeah, we do all type of videos. And then when we go to Jamaica now, we're gonna be doing the Jamaican side of content. So right when you enter the mall, you got a Starbucks. And this is my brand right now, yeah. Tim Martin's Starbucks can go on. And them high price coffee. Will not even taste good. Sure. So yeah, my people, like I start the channel there based off. Let's start from around here. Based off my house project in Jamaica. And we'll be going on the house project back again very soon. Because we have a lot of work to get done over there. So anytime Father God lift me up and say it's time to go, it's time to go. Alright, people, one store have up to 75% off, you know, end of season sale. Go in there and see if any sales in there for you people. Again, people, music I play, man. And see clearance. I'm gonna check out the clearance selling. Hopefully we don't get copyright. But I have some sales in them people, but I'm not really tarry too long in here, yeah? Again, people, I'm a Jamaican YouTuber. Okay, living in Toronto, Canada. So yeah, just go and walk out this mall. This mall look more boringish than Oshawa Mall to me so far. And yeah, they have sports places and stuff like that. Telephone places. My barber shop. I remember one friend used to work at the barber shop, not the barber shop, the hair salon. She used to be the secretary. She hated that job. But you know, when you know nothing better to do, you just have to do it because minimum wage too. And minimum wage can't go nowhere over here, you know, people, because since from you get a local paycheck, you get $600-700. When you take out your taxi a week and then the bills you have up on this and that. By the time you look, then you're gone right back at the workplace, or if you work overtime and extra time, because no money no there. No money no there. So I think this is one more of the entrance. A big type of mall, you know, my people, where I go. You see a nice little open section right here, so but me go come around to that part there, yeah. Walk through it out. Them have a Scotia Bank over here to see them way. Them have a Sirens. You know, a mega sale, no females. Mega sale are going over here, so mega sale. Yeah, man. I got Jamaica, I buy some stuff to girl, no, but I don't have no money for that. No money at all, because in the day, black I forgot buy and steel and cement. Yes, man, I don't have my sand and gravel. Take me have steel already too, you know. So I go back over yard with people and finish it up, you know. So I have our winners here at the end of the day. Yes, my people, so minimum wage in Ontario is going up again to $17 an hour. And then that's the next entrance, my people. And our winners, and let's walk around here now. Yeah, so minimum wage will go up, my people. Minimum wage will go up. $17 an hour, I think of 15 at now. Yeah. April the 1st, my people. April the 1st. Hello. Hi. April the 1st, my people. So, just know that. Go walk with people, I go walk. See then how my people around here, so the movie theater usually be back in the days. Around here, so it used to be. So they move it now and build a bigger movie theater around there, so. There's so much, how far we walk with people here, so big it is. So, what is? Mastermind Toys. For now, having kids and toys and stuff, you can come check them out. We could move on. Yes, man. I have H&M and stuff around here to see them way. Remember when I used to come to Canada and my people, I don't have to be a model, you know. Just like look at youth, you know. But back then it was more racism. Back in 09, 08, them days, 07. I say me I try to do it, you understand? People me I go down on the food court area and then we go walk downstairs and then come up back up on the top part. So check it out, my people. People, no thumbs up the video them for me, you know, please. Because I sure, you know, I have a munch for start off around here, some people, and then I go walk. I mean, I think I have more places than Oshawa Mall, though, at the end of the day, but they're not as up as Scarborough Town Centre, Eaton Centre, Yarkdale. But this mall is a really big mall, though. But I think it will be up very, very soon. Probably just need a little renovation at the end of the day. Yeah, man. Probably them just need a little renovation and think the mall can take off back again. But I don't have too much creative food place. Like I said. And again, people over here are more multicultural again too. White, black, Asian, brown, all sort of people. More multicultural. Caribbean spot the right as too. We don't need no food. Sometimes people we have to start somewhere in our life and don't look upon it all. So look a mall job I have something I really make too much money. No, my people. When me for my first work when me come to Canada, you know, man. At McDonald's, me working at Scarborough Town Centre, you know. Foot Locker and everything there, my people. We now go inside because of the music thing. But look how big of an entrance this is, my people. Look at this. This mall is no little baby mall. Look at this. You can kick all balls, you can kick football, basketball and everything, you know. To the mall big. Actually, big mall, my people. Nice sitting areas too. Yeah. Body and works over here. And again, my people, too much people in the here. It's kind of empty today. Hello. It's kind of empty today. Not a lot of people here today. But yeah, I walk and go on, yeah. Go on, show them over the place them. I have all fun places here, you know, in the area. But like me, some people don't make nobody judge, you know, and stuff. 1 second, people phone a ring. You can't, you know, people, somebody that call away, you know. Time your phone ring, my people, no matter who or what, you never know the situation or whatever somebody I go through. Always just try not even want more coffee. Always just try to remember, say, you don't know what people are going through, so you don't want to leave the people unread or whatever. If you can answer back your phone, you answer because you never know. For the last time you hear from all in person if they call you. So, I never like any things there. So no matter what, I always try to pick up my phone no matter what. Yeah man. I might miss a 1-2 call, but from me have my phone on my hand, me not make it go to nothing. Even me have to say, oh, my busy alright, what go on. Cause you never know for emergency. And that's one I think in my family. When I at Jamaica, I say I never roll my phone. And say you need to have your phone on you every second. Cause you never know. People, you know what? We're going to the beer here, man. I'm going to take upstairs and go around. At the beer now, my people, I have everything at the beer, you know. Man and woman and clothes and furnitures and everything. But I don't like coming to them place, eh? When I know them have clearance and lots of sale. Yeah man, that's the only way me can afford stuff. I see me can walk around and go upstairs. Only way I can afford them things and when clearance are going. Yeah man. But the camera for me for a bit. So that was the downstairs region of the mall area. Now we're gonna go up on the second floor back again. Walk around some more, showing out the entire mall and thing. Yeah man, people, some of that say now, don't watch the local job. Everybody have to do what they have to do. You understand? No matter if a minimum wage or it could be more above minimum wage you make or what, at the end of the day, every local make a muckle. Alright? Because if you need to make nothing, you have to sit down in your yard and bills add up on you. And a lot of people, like me say, people don't like broke people around them. The one family will get upset and just say, no, I can't keep you here no more because you're not at work. Just because you say you don't want no minimum wage job. That's not right. You have to do what you have to do and get up. Alright, my people, I could turn it around again now. They have a traveling agency place over here, so. And then you have H&R Block also. And you can see how big it is, number people out there. Football, you can't kick in, man. All through the small, you know. But a lot of the place them is just dead. Like no traffic in the day no more. And then you go off come tell me say you want to charge me all $20,000, you know, for retail space. And that on a cheap end. That is some small store. Me I show you one small store probably that go for you. All them big store there, like the Top Man Park. Or this Urban Kids place. This right now so you look on $30,000-$40,000, you know, for rent, you know. And then now plus you have to pay your employees, you know. Plus you have to pay for hydro, you know. Plus you have to pay for something else and insurance and people, it's not easy, man. People go in a blue note. Them always have the same stuff them every year. Every year I see them stuff them. Again people, music I play. And now really tarry too long. Okay, go back out again, my peeps. Yeah, and the trafficking not that much again. Like it got dead over here now. And then me if you go people if you have clothes where you sell and stuff, try more online base. Let me see this view they have over here. Try more online base. I don't think you need a physical store these days if your marketing thing turn up, you understand? Checkers. What you can do, my people, make sure your marketing thing turn up. 1, 2, make sure say 1 second. Sure And just put up the balloon glass there. And that's the outside. So, yeah, man, if you can market your thing properly and push your thing properly and do just shipping, and when you're ready now, you do like what them call them pop-up shops, Tristan and everything. Them have a heap of places over here still, you know. My garage, you know, garage of the local teen girls them. Yeah. Yeah, see that them promote. Yeah. Again, my people, the next big open side of it again. Football type, I'm all listening to my people. It's big. But I understand why they build it so big, you know, because over here so soon get fully more populated, you know. And through a school day today and Monday, everybody them just go back to school today. Boat house, you know, so no look bad, you know. Vacation style like a house thing. But again, music again, my people. Now go over there. Yeah, man. I'm going to start just like some white boy soon now, you know, my people, for summertime, you know. Yeah, man, see you hear them there. Now for start go back at gym. No joke. Yeah, so remember I used to always shop at Aldo, you know. I come over here. Aldo was my little shoe spot. Yes, I. But back on it again, serious note, my people. If you have clothes or merch or stuff like that, build up your online presence. When you build that up, you push yourself and market it out properly. You understand? Sign up for the different service them, where you know you can do drop shipping or all of those type of stuff, so make your life work a bit easier. And then if you have worry or headache, right? Now go over the JD Sports Place. And I think that's gonna wrap it up with him. We're gonna walk this side now, because we never walk this side. And we're gonna walk back outside and wrap up this video. Because it's not a lot. Go around the walk here and then just make a circle. But there's nothing too much here. But like me say, I'm promoting yourself, my people, and make life just easier for you, you understand? You have to promote yourself. If you don't promote yourself, nobody not gonna promote you, you know. Like, I have a photo shoot thing you go on right there, so I look a boot thing we are going. All of the phone places them in a one spot competition turn up. Yes, I. Nationwide, you know. The Easter Bunny is here. Yeah, man. Easter Bunny is here. This now them just own this JD Sports Place, cause never seen it here before. Let's see what kind of shoes me that buy over here. If me need a shoes. I really need no shoes, you know, my people. I'm stop waste money, you know. But you stop waste money, you see it. Unless you really need it, and you buy it. But if you don't need it, you don't buy it. But nice little store though. No, nothing negative. Oh, go on, daddy. Yeah. There I do my little vlog. Podcast. Yeah, man, I do the mall tour them, you know. Alright, blessings. That was Mikey mentioned, my people. Yeah, man, military. You know, DJ, you know, Chippy brother that. Yeah, man. I think I'm military, I'm father, military son. Yes, I. But I could move on our peeps. Again, my people. This is the Pickering Town Center Mall tour. Just a going on a nice walkthrough. Hopefully you like this walkthrough, my people. Please just, if I something like some people, I do these videos for people who move out of the area them. Oh, My Hero Academic. Yeah. So one of my favorite show, you know. My Hero, the Pokemon game them. And if they have all the Naruto vibe and stuff like that. Yeah, they have a lot of nice stuff here. Blessings, good. Yeah, so people, if you love animation and stuff, What's the store called again, brother?
My pops.
My Pops?
Yeah.
My Pops, alright. So the place is called My Pops, my people. So if you like animation and stuff, or the kids like anime and stuff like that, Demon Slayer artwork right here. Some I love some of them artwork in my house too. Yeah. Flushies and all of those stuff right here. Yeah, man. Monkey D. Luffy. If you don't like them type of stuff here, my people, this is $180. Damn, I'd love to have some of these still. Yeah, man, I'm gonna probably buy a couple of these. So if anybody come at the house and like anime and can take 2 pictures with them, oh no, don't thief them. Don't thief them. Yeah, man, big boy Snorlax. Alright, sorry guys. Yeah, so if you don't like anime wears, you can come get some anime wears. All the Dragon Ball Z, them Riptora, Haktama, whatever I'm named, the man who made Dragon Ball Z or Dragon Ball, he died last week, I believe. Okay, this place, t-shirt, buy one get one. This place look more darkish, yeah, but more of a rock type of vibe right here. So yeah, man. Ardeen over here so too. And showcase you must like what you see. Oh, the perfume place. I'm not going in, I'm not no money, you know. The showcase place or the showcase room where you see everything when them sell online. Not tree bad, you know. Not tree bad still. But let's move on. What else am I have inside here that you see on TV? Yeah. So the place is like what you see on the TV. They make a store feet, so you can come by, you know, walk through. I see something you might like, and it's always a little bit cheaper also. But now people are coming back around to the same entrance that we came in by, and I think we're going to end off the vlog. I think that was it still, my people. Yeah, man, I think I walk through all of it, get to know everything I'm supposed to get also. So again, my people, it's just a quick walkthrough, not even a quick walkthrough. I walk through all of it at the end of the day phone. So again, my people, if you don't like the video, just thumbs it up for me, please. Like, share, subscribe. Pickering Mall Tour vibe. You know, if you enjoy this type of content, you just bless upon yourself, you understand? So we just try to make something different, you know? We are Jamaica now. I'll go to try to tour some of the malls them too in Jamaica also. Yes, and I don't get it twisted like we're not gonna do it in Jamaica too, you see it? When we're there Jamaica, we go most of the malls them, almost all the malls where we can go in the region, which why we go there at a day at a time. And if one day I not do nothing, I just have to go drive around the area them and just go do be a mall tour, girl. You know? We do a Mobile, we go a Mobile part, Negril, same thing. We walk out the town them and just go like the vibe. Go catch some fish with me, sea, river, set some crayfish trap with me. That, you see me people. So one thanks everybody again. And it's your boy 4162-876 Jamaica, Director J, you know, 416 Boss. And if you don't like the content, my people, just like the video, subscribe, and just share it out to your friends. Alright? Bless upon yourself. I'm out.